Okay, so I've talked about printing before and print processing and whatever in different videos. This is just about occlusal guards. Okay, so right now I've got one occlusal guard. I've actually printed it 3 different ways because I'm doing some testing and I'm trying to 2 birds with 1 stone. So if you look at the screen right here, you don't have to look closely or anything, but you'll see that this is actually 3 of the same occlusal guard, 2 different size platforms and 2 different angulations. The print appears to have succeeded completely, all 3 of them. And so I haven't done a fit check yet, of course, but to see if there's any warping, but I'm optimistic that all 3 have worked well for us. So anyway, I'm going to remove the print bed. And this is what processing is. It's wet, so we need to remove the resin. Some people like to pop it off. I don't. I like to just put it right inside of our wash station and let it go. And so now this little magnetic stir bead is going to go ahead and flush it well and get all the excess resin off. When we shut down the video, I'm going to add a little more resin because it's a little light there, but you don't need to watch that. But anyway, the point is, that's the labor. Take it from there, set it on here, and we'll pick up in the next part to show you the curing process, which is equally simple. Thanks. Okay, so we've finished washing. Now, Keystone, well, they say they have to wash it more than 5 minutes, otherwise the material can start to break down. I'll be honest, we've washed a lot longer than that, didn't realize it. We've not had an issue, but I would suggest following the recommendations. Make sure you're washing it in alcohol that's not with other materials that don't go in the mouth, and ideally have its own wash tub. So anyway, this is done. I'm going to kill that. If you haven't watched my videos before, I always, whenever possible, we try to wash and cure on the actual print bed. I find it easier. Not everyone agrees with me, that's fine, but this is just how I like to do it, and it works well for us. So I'm going to come on over here, and I'll get out of the way. We have our SprintRay Pro Cure Box, which I do recommend if you're curing things that go in the mouth long term. I recommend you get an official curing unit. I use the hobby ones for other stuff, models and whatnot, but for things that go in the mouth, I do recommend it. This will fit right inside there. And so now, at the time of this video, the settings are 45 minutes at 50 degrees centigrade Celsius. Start. And that's it. So as you see, the actual processing, people always worry about processing. Carry the print bed to the wash station, set it to go. Then take it off there, wipe off any excess alcohol, put it in the curing unit, done. The last thing I need to do is take it off of there and grind off the little supports, but you're always gonna have to do that. Anyway, you form it. So, and that's pretty quick. I don't know if I'll have a chance to make that part of this video, but anyway, hopefully you can see that's pretty simple.